All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be removing the speedometer bezel here, disconnecting that, taking the seats back off of a bike to access the bolts down here, and then I believe there is a bolt or two up here, but we'll find out once we get there. It does have a full tank of gas, unfortunately. It is what it is, I guess. So, if the gas becomes too much of a problem, I do have a transfer pump that I can pump the fuel out of it and into a gas can to dispose of. But let's get to it. I believe this is a 5. I am wrong. This is a 6. Back here. It is. And thankfully when I put it back together, I didn't put it on very tight. But let's do this. Let me go grab my parts tray. All right. So, good old Harbor Freight special. It does have a rubberized coating back here, so I'm not real worried about it scratching anything. But just in case, I'm not going to put it on the tank. We are going to, let's see. No. All pot metal. Yep. All right. Well, let's put it on the tank. It should be fine. That sounded much worse than it actually is. Cool. The bolts are not magnetic. That's fun. All right, so second option. We're gonna put them over here with 3D printers. Camera. Back seat off. You can see how much I did not clean underneath the seat. That's okay. Once we get everything back up and running, we'll go through and do a full detail on the whole bike. Pull the bags off of it. Pull everything off that doesn't need to be on it and wash everything down. All right. Put those there. Those bolts are magnetic. All right. Seat off. All right. Let's see what we have here. I'm gonna say around a 10mm. All right. This looks like, yep, 12mm. That out. That's seeing some better days. That's all right. All right. Let's put that down in the battery box so I can forget where it is. And then we need a much smaller Allen key than that. Let's see what we have here. I'm gonna guess a 2.5. Yeah, definitely wrong. Let's see, is it a 3? It is a 3. All right, we got a 3mm. Oh, no creepy crawlers. That's a good start. Let's see what we have under here. All right. Come straight out. Pretty easy. I don't know. Yeah, there's a bunch of spots inside there. I wonder. We might look at taking this apart and seeing if I can clean those little spots out of there. They're on the inside. So, we'll see. All right. Kind of tuck that back a little bit. And let's see here. All right. Let's put my tools to the side. All right. So we have a couple connections underneath the tank. All right, it didn't feel like anything leaked. And it did not. Sweet. All right. I'll clean that up before putting it back together. It's a very odd place to put a radiator cap. It looks very empty. We'll be doing a flush on that anyways. It's okay. All right. Whew. Doing this to show you how much you're out of shape. All right, tank's off. Makes the bike look much slimmer, you know, just weight savings. Just put a peanut tank right on top. Have it last about 3.5 seconds. Yeah. All right. See if I can find me a jug to put some gasoline on. I think I can put it in this old jug. Gotta be a man here. There we go. All right, let's dump out everything in here. At least it doesn't smell terrible. All right. What we're looking at, if you can see, right about there, down in there, you can see some of that thick rust. Yeah, that's what we got to get rid of. Since it's going to be sitting there for a minute, let's take this stuff, move it off to the side. This looks like a much better place to do it. 4. I'm striking out. There we go. So we got a 5. Very well. Put in there. Surprisingly, no Loctite. I guess it's got some of that old ass fastener Loctite. But I've been here for fucking ever. All right. Okay. Ooh. That does not look good. Wow, that wire literally just fell off. Cool. That's probably on the list to buy. All right. So we still have quite a bit of rust in there. However, good news is most of it looks like just surface rust. Shit that's just fallen off. I had to get it out of there, of course, but getting it out of there versus it being stuck to the tank is 2 very different things. And luckily for me, getting it out of there is the easier one. So, all right. I think for this last little bit, we're gonna try and use the transfer pump. Yeah, it's not too bad. Definitely can tell there was some water in it. We already knew that. So, what we're gonna do first is get some soapy water, wash it out. Once we wash it out, that should remove a lot of it. And then we're gonna fill it up with a couple of gallons of vinegar to really send that home.